I love weekends. How do teenagers spend their free time? Where do they go? Let's see what they say.
I'm not really into mainstream fashion, so the East Village in New York is where I hang out at the weekends. I just love the alternative shops down there. It's such a cool area that you can always find something interesting and different to buy. There are some fantastic coffee shops there too. Some of the shops are expensive, so we just spend time window shopping. In Tompkins Square Park, there's a basketball court, and we play there sometimes.
I love hanging out with my friends during the weekends. Every Saturday, my brother and I meet our friends at Almaty Central Park to walk around and chat. We're all crazy about water rides, so if the weather is good and the sun is out, we go on the water slides. Then we either go for a coffee or we go to the Dostik Plaza Mall to do some shopping.
Both weekends seem a lot of fun. Which weekend would you like to experience? What do you do at the weekend?